To begin weaving, you'll need to pick out one piece of yarn at a time, okay? And it's tied here in the middle, so just grab your one and then just pull, okay? You can use as many colors as you want, but we're going to grab one at a time. Then you're going to reach down near the end and you're going to take it and you're going to be placing that end near the inside. So I'm going to hold on to it. I'm going to just slide it all the way down to the bottom, all the way. And when you pull it all the way to the bottom right there, it holds it nice and tight. And if you look on the inside, you can see I have a short little tail, okay? Then you get to begin weaving, okay? Weaving is the process of going over, under, or inside, outside, okay? So I'm going to hold on to that first piece, and I'm going to go in and then back out immediately, okay? And once I've gone back out, I give it a little tug. Then I'm going to turn my cup, put my thumb on the top of that string to hold it in place, and I'm going to go inside and outside, and then I give it a nice little tug, okay, to pull it back down to the bottom. I turn it, I hold on to it with my thumb, and then I go to the inside and immediately to the outside. And see that little loop? Again, I want to tug it nice and tight, okay? That keeps it nice and tight there and pulls it down to the bottom as well, okay? So I'm going to turn and hold on to that end piece. I'm going to go to the inside and to the outside, and then I tug it, okay? Same thing. I hold on to it with my thumb. I go to the inside and back to the outside. And you can see now I'm back to where I first began, okay? Before I had a dashed line, now it's going to become solid. Now I'm going to take my thumb and hold on to it again and go to the inside and back immediately to the outside and tug it. That's the process of weaving. I'm going to hold on to it, inside, outside, and tug it. I'll hold on to it with my thumb, inside and outside. I'll turn it and hold on, inside and outside. Hold on to it, inside and outside. So this is the process we had used last year when we wove with paper. Inside, outside, inside, outside. It's a A-B pattern, inside, outside. So you're going to keep going, okay, until you run out of yarn, as I'm about to do. I'm kind of speeding up. And when you come near the end, we don't want to have it just hang to the outside. That would be kind of ugly. Instead, you're going to hold on to it and go to the inside, and then that time you're going to tuck it down to the bottom and you're just going to leave it hanging loose in there, okay? Then you get to pick your next color. So I'm going to use this pink next. I'm going to grab onto it near the end, and you can start anywhere that you would like, okay? I could start where I left off. It just really doesn't matter. So I'm going to hold on to that end and I'm going to tug it all the way down to the bottom, okay? Now the reason you want to tug it all the way down to the bottom is it holds it nice and tight, okay? And then you begin the process of weaving. So I'm going to hold on to that end one and go to the inside and outside, and make sure to be tugging it down. Now don't tug it too much or that inside piece will pull out. Okay, I'm going to hold on to it, inside and outside, okay? Inside, outside, inside and outside, inside and outside, okay? And be making sure to be tugging that down to the bottom, okay? That's really important, that each time you tug it down to the bottom, it allows you to fit more colors of yarn on there. It keeps these end threads from being all loose. But the other important thing is, I'll show you, if you don't pull it down and you have your yarn way up here, what ends up happening, do you see how the cup starts to close up, okay? So what you want to do is make sure to always be tugging that yarn down to the bottom, inside, outside, and tug, okay? Inside, outside, and tug to the bottom. Inside, outside, and tug to the bottom. And that is the process of weaving, okay? So again, to review, when you come to the end of your thread, tuck it to the inside. You'll choose your next piece of yarn. Always grab one at a time, hold it near the end, begin wherever you'd like. I can kind of see where I left off, so maybe I'll start there. And I tug it all the way down to the bottom, leaving a nice tail. Hold on to it, and then inside, outside, And you are weaving again, okay? Inside, outside, tug. Inside, outside, tug. Inside, outside, tug. Inside, outside, tug. So I will let you get started. Have fun.